In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet offline. Now, I know this might sound a bit confusing, given that video calls inherently depend on an internet connection, but it's important to understand the context. While Google Meet itself can't operate independently of the internet for actual meetings, there are ways you can prepare and organize your meetings offline, which can greatly enhance your efficiency and productivity once you're back online. First, let's clarify why Google Meet needs an internet connection. Google's requirements explicitly state that a broadband internet connection is necessary for participating in Meet meetings. This is because video data, especially at high quality, requires a significant amount of bandwidth to transfer smoothly between users. Unfortunately, this means that you can't join or host a live video call without being connected to the internet. However, if you're gearing up for an upcoming meeting and have limited or no internet access, one of the best things you can do is prepare all the materials you might need offline. Start by creating all your presentation slides using Google Slides or any other software accessible offline. Remember to save these files locally on your device. This prepares you to transition smoothly once you're online again, without scrambling for materials at the last minute. Next, you might want to draft any important points or notes. You can use apps like Google Docs, which thankfully have an offline mode, to jot down your discussion points. Make sure that you enable offline mode in Google Docs while you're still connected, so you have access to your documents even when the internet is unavailable. Once you have internet access, your documents will automatically sync. If you're managing a team and want to coordinate tasks or meeting agendas, tools like Google Keep or any other note-taking app that works offline can be super handy. You can jot down agendas, to-do lists, or questions you wish to address. Again, these will sync as soon as you have internet access again, allowing for seamless collaboration with your team. It's also helpful to familiarize yourself with Google Calendar. Even without internet access, you can still view your calendar if you've previously enabled offline mode. This way, you can keep track of your schedule and plan around it, ensuring you're prepared for when you can join your meetings online. While you wait to go online, use this time to practice any presentations or refine your talking points. This will make sure that once you are connected, you're ready to engage effectively. In summary, while Google Meet itself doesn't support offline video call participation, there are plenty of preparations you can do offline. Focusing on organizing your materials, preparing presentation content, and coordinating with your team through notes ensures that when you do connect, your meeting is not only efficient, but as productive as possible. Thank you for joining, and I hope this information helps you maximize your Google Meet experience under offline conditions.